There has been a few major changes that has been brought by the regulator. The first one is the segregation and monitoring of client collateral. So it was observed that there has been cases of default on part of the few brokers, and in which case the collateral of the clients was misused. In that case, those broker then turned into a default. So just to have more visibility on the collateral of the clients, and there is no misappropriation or misutilization of the collateral of the clients, they brought up with the system that is the monitoring and segregation of the client collateral. So this basically what it does, we have to report on every day on T+1 basis about the collateral of the client. It has to be reported in a disaggregated form, like at which step, what I mean to say, whether the client collateral or the proprietary collateral is sitting at what portion of the collateral of the client is sitting at the TM members or at clearing member, we have to do it to the clearing member. Whereas the clearing member has to define how the client collateral is sitting with the TM, CM and his own collateral also. This had to be reported up to CC.